Hello everyone. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a plant order from Pita's Planters in Dallas, Texas. They have Instagram live sales every Thursday night at 6 p.m. Central Time. And so this is an order from the live sale here. I cut the little tab off the box so I didn't have to drag the whole thing in here, but I love their stickers that they put on their packages. So I've got 3 Aglaonemas here, and I'm kind of hoping that the background there looks a little less full of plants than normal. I've been doing a lot of plant maintenance this week while I've been off work on vacation for the whole week, so did move some stuff out of there. It probably doesn't look any less packed with plants, but anywho, I'm technically not adding to my number of plants because I did get rid of some things and I moved some things that were on the floor there into my plant cabinet when I was going in and repotting and watering and cleaning that. So, but anyways, let's get started with the plants here. I'm gonna do the big one first. So yeah, if you're in the northern United States like me, you might want to hurry up and do some plant shopping before the weather gets too cold. It's been kind of cold here this week, which hasn't been very fun for my week off, but I've gotten a lot done inside the house, so that's a good thing. Oh wow, this is tall already. So this first one is going to be an Aglaonema Green Army. Some people might also call this one Peacock, I believe. That's what it was actually labeled from the grower, I think. Yeah, I've wanted this one for a few weeks. I saw it on another one of their live sales. And I already had some plants purchased that day, so I did not get it at that point. But so I was kind of waiting for this most recent live sale to order this one. But they still had it in stock. So this is a green type of Aglaonema, not like a colorful one. It's got like almost a camouflage pattern to it. It's really pretty. And the green Aglaonemas are really the lowest care level. It's pretty easy to keep these guys happy, so. But yeah, see how it's kind of almost like camouflage type of pattern. It's got like the green and kind of silvery colors to it. So that's the first one. Put you back over there. Oh. Not a very good balance here. Okay. And then these next, let's see. Trying to decide which one to open next here. Oh, save that one for last, I think. All right. So it's kind of funny. I sweep the floor here before I make these videos, and I immediately get it all full of dirt. Then have to sweep it again afterwards, but. Their packaging is super amazing. It can be at times a little hard to get the plants out of here, but it's definitely worth it because they arrived safely. Oh, love this one. So this one is red stardust, and I think they were mentioning in the live sale that the grower had labeled this one as Red Legacy. And as soon as I saw it, I was like, that's definitely red stardust, which is one that I've wanted for a while as well. So that will join my collection along with my orange stardust, which is also from Pita's planters. Very pretty. Ooh, look at those pink stems. Very pretty. And then we got one more here. If the phone will stay up there this time. This one is a little more on the rare side, I would say. Can't wait to see this one. There we go. Oh, wow. So this one is a pink Kanza, or Kanza pink. Has a lot of stripes to it. I could get a good angle here. Look at that. That is beautiful. As soon as I saw they had this in stock, I was like, I need that. Very beautiful Aglaonema. And as my friend Richie at Grow Folds on YouTube would say, hashtag popularize Aglaonema. And this is why. Just look at how gorgeous this plant is. I actually lost track of how many Aglaonema are in my collection at this point, but with all my planty chores this week, once I'm hopefully get done repotting everything, I'll maybe have to do a count and see where I'm at there. But this one's a very special one, like very beautiful. And gotta come way up here for this tall guy here. So again, that was Aglaonema Green Army. Very beautiful. The red stardust here. And then the pink Kanza. It's probably one of the more rare Aglaonema in my collection. But yeah, they all arrived looking absolutely beautiful and healthy, as usual. So yeah, that should be it for today. I should probably get onto my planty chores and start kind of picking up with repotting where I left off last night. I was just about to start in on that today, and then UPS came with these, so of course I had to open them immediately. So but yeah, again, if you follow Pita's Planters on Instagram, they do a live sale every Thursday night at 6 p.m. Central Time. And that is where I get a lot of my rare Aglaonema from. So, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed and have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.